When our customers experience an outage, BGE crews work to restore service as safely and quickly as possible. In some cases, your power may be out, but your neighbor's has already been restored. Here's one reason why. Often, a tree or branch falls on a power line, causing an outage in your area. Once it's reported, and our crew arrives on site, they first assess the damage to determine the cause for the outage. Then, they isolate the problem to the fewest number of customers possible by closing feeders that were not impacted by the damage, allowing power to be restored in areas where the line is not damaged. Then, we're able to focus on the repairs needed to return power to the rest of the neighborhood. As a reminder, never touch a downed wire, stay at least 35 feet away, and call 1-877-778-2222 to report it.